Hello my lovely friends. In today's video I'm going to give you a very detailed review of this. Let me show you the tag. This iconic 4-piece cosmetic set in foxwood. This is a item I purchased through Vera Bradley's online outlet sale. Even though the ticket price is $70, I actually spent $12.50 for this item. Okay, so this is a 4-piece together package item. So as you can see, there is it's like a roll cosmetic case kind of pouch here. Supposedly everything here are for cosmetic, right? So, and they are lined with plastic. Okay, so easy to wipe off in case something happen. This one, it has a tag, say made in Myanmar. Okay, again, I still don't know where that is. Even though it's the whole it's lined with plastic, but you can see the edge, like the side, this circular portion inside is still fabric. Okay, if you are super particular of being able to wipe off everything inside, then these two circles inside of the case you can wipe, because it's lined with the cotton for those two circles over there. The majority of part of these cases is wipeable. The reason I am using and love, and I do a lot of videos on Vera Bradley's item, because I truly stand by. I mean, they have no idea who I am, but I truly stand by their quality, and the craftsmanship is just unbelievable. Really nice product, every single item of them. Even though like this set's only $12.5 at the time I purchased, the quality fantastic. Anyway, okay, so this is the first item, is the this roll case kind of thing, and the second one is I would say this size of the pouch is comparable with the medium cosmetic set case. The size wise is comparable with medium cosmetic set case. Okay, so this is the first item, this is the second item, and the third one is small. I would say the size probably is comparable to a mini cosmetic case. If you purchase just a cosmetic case, this is comparable to the size of mini one. It's very cute. It's like a shell, like a seashell kind of shape case. Again, as I say, there's edges like all these trimmed area or not lined with plastic, but majority of the case is lined with plastic, and the plastic is the nice thick plastic. I do not see it. I think the durability is really good for the plastic lining inside. My particular set has some very cool animal features, and I always enjoying looking for them, find them, and point them out while I'm doing the video. I love these little creatures, and I have a lot of munchkin, bird, bunny, fox, the fox. It's great pattern. It's very cute and fun pattern, foxwood. Anyway, and the last one is a 4-piece. So the last one is really this case. Okay, so in this video I really like to show you something like this can be very helpful. I mean, we can only use so many cosmetic bags, right? But besides to put cosmetic items in these bags, they can also be used for many different purpose, for many different functions. Okay, here I'm showing you how you can use this to serve all these items to serve as serve for your planner needs. Okay, planning needs. If you are a planner like me, I'm not only collect Vera Bradley items. I love bags. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm not so crazy about shoes, but definitely bags, like they make me excited. Okay, and I'm also a big planner person. I love using planners. And so okay, let's just start with this one. Okay, apparently this is perfect shape to be used as a pen case, right? And here I have a bunch of pens that I use for my planning purpose. So I'm just gonna show you how many pens you can put inside. I think these would be sufficient enough of pens, right? If you're not too particular with color coding and things like that. Anyway, but I say, like, at least for me, these are all I need. I'm probably not using all of them, but it's a comfortable amount of pens for me to use daily. So this is called mild liner. I have, let's see, how many do I have? These are all the mild liners that I have. I have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 of them. Okay, so 9 of them put in the case. Still have room for other items. And this is my favorite pen to write. It's kind of gel pen thing, and a black one and a blue one. I like to have both of them. You may want to have a correction tape, and that's probably about the amount you can put, not awful a lot. Okay, so if it's on the go situation, right, I will have these two, and then just a few of these mild liner. If I keep them all, I think usually I can live with this set. Okay, so the case itself, this one definitely will not hold everything I have here, and I like this pen case also. But I mean, it's good enough to have at least, I would say, comfortably for you to put at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 to 12 pen highlighters, whatever this size of writing tool, about 11 to 12. Okay, so you can think about it, and you may want to downsize it a little bit, or you may not need to bring that many. Okay, so that's for for pen, and totally good, sufficient, and you know, it's nice. All right, next one, this little guy, I think this one is perfect for your washi tapes. Okay, it's perfect for your washi tapes. I don't really have that many washi tapes, so I'm not gonna do any demo, but I think you can put quite a lot. Okay, again, not your whole washi tape collection. I know some of you have a lot of them, but you know, the most often used ones, this will be comfortable enough to hold that. And this guy, okay, this guy I think is good for definitely would not be big enough for your happy planner sticker book. Okay, it's not big enough for happy planner sticker book. All right, so you can put that in here. But if you have these kind of sticker books, these are recollection sticker books, even though I don't recommend these because they don't stick to my planners for whatever reason. I have to use tape behind to tape it. Even though I love these designs, but they don't stick well. Okay, anyway, if you have these recollection sticker books, they can fit. They do fit, okay? They do fit inside, but not very comfortable, okay? Maybe some bending, you know. They do fit, you can zip, but not very comfortable, okay? Not very comfortable. They are inside, as you can see, they kind of a little bit bend, okay? Not very comfortable, but you can stuck it in. This one is what I got from Amazon. Okay, this is nice, a seasonal sticker book. I enjoy using it. It's very small. Each of them is very small, perfect for a smaller planner. Again, can fit but not very comfortable. Okay, so there's a limitation of using this one. I wish this one can be a little bit bigger, right? So we can put all our sticker books inside, but it's a limit somehow. Okay, so that's that. And lastly, obviously, this big, nice, clear tote bag kind of thing. This guy can fit a lot. Okay, let me show you. Let's start. You know what? Let's start with the some happy planner things, right? Okay, so this is a mini size, mini classic, right? It fits comfortably. See that? It fits comfortably, okay? So if you also have your washi tape, right? You get inside, you have your pen case comfortably stuck inside, and as you can see, it's very comfortable. And then with your mini planner, right, and you can have plenty of room to put your sticker book this time. Okay, I put get 3 sticker books, no problem. Easy, comfortable, and nice clear tote like this. You see exactly where things are. Okay, so this is for mini, totally no problem. You'll be able to also fit a skinny classic. This is skinny classic. It's longer than mini. Oh yeah, look at that. Skinny classic together with mini inside and 3 sticker books. Easy peasy, no problem. Okay. All right. So, how about how about a classic size? A very popular size heavy planner is the classic size, right? Can this one fit? All right, let's check it out. All right, no problem. Look at that. Fits nicely, very nicely, and you can zip it, okay, together with some sticker book, your pen case, and the pouch. You can use that for your washi tapes. So beautiful, comfortable. I think the fit is just fantastic. Very, very nice. Okay, and how about now we're done with the happy planner? Yes, how about passion planner? Can it fit a medium size? This is my medium size passion planner. I enjoy using it very much. So let's see if it can fit. Absolutely. Okay, just see that? It fits no problem. Easy peasy. Together again with 3 sticker books inside. And you still have plenty room to put other things if you want, you know. So it can fit passion planner medium. If it can fit passion planner medium, we would not have problem to fit the passion planner small. But if you want to see how it look like, let me put it inside and show you. Again, you have so much room, okay? And the tote itself is slim looking already, but it's just and it can still fit so much stuff. So I think this set is just perfect for planner addicts. And here I have a Erin Condren's This is monthly planner for 18 months. Okay, no problem. Obviously, you can fit passion planner medium. You can fit inside too. Then you can have, this is Hobonichi week, nice and easy. All right. And how about you also use a ring planner, right? If it's a personal size ring planner. So okay, I have a bunch of stuff inside and still nicely situated inside and very comfortable. So there you go. I hope this is helpful to you. You know, if next time you're consider what to purchase from Vera Bradley's online sale, I think probably they just had a sale not too long ago. I'm waiting for the next one because I have my eye on some items, and this may be something to you too, you know, to think about. And those planner people, hey, if you never tried Vera Bradley items, maybe you can try this one for your organization purpose, right? It's only $12.50. I mean, any single little pouch from whatever the source, Erin Condren, whatever the source, costs like double of this whole set. Right? Okay, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. I have a goal to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I only have less than like 6 weeks maybe to reach my goal, so please help me out. And if you are subscribers, thank you so much. And please also help me by click on like and share so more people can see this video, and hopefully they will subscribe and help me to reach my goal. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Wednesday, and I upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, all right, take care, have a great day. Goodbye, my friends.